Learn how hackers hack Wi-Fi and what you can do about it. Hackers or cybercriminals can hack your router, spy on your Wi-Fi connection and even eavesdrop on your conversations to capture personal information. While Wi-Fi hacking isn't as common as ransomware or other types of social engineering attacks, it's still a significant threat. The most important connected devices in our life will always be our computers and phones, and a weak router can lead to them being hacked and infected. You might be surprised how easy it is to hack into your home Wi-Fi network nowadays. For very little money, a hacker or cyber criminal can rent a cloud computer and most often guess your network's password in minutes by brute force or using the powerful computer to try many combinations of your password. Your home Wi-Fi network can easily be broken into if you have a weak password. Any product connected to the internet without proper security can be hacked, including a baby monitor. That's why you should never use the default Wi-Fi router settings, and consider securing your home Wi-Fi network in order to mask your online footprint and minimize the risk of exposure to cyber criminals. If someone hacks your Wi-Fi, they can monitor all of your unencrypted traffic. That means they can spy on data sent across your Wi-Fi network from all of your devices. In these cases, it helps to utilize a VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, a service that protects your internet connection and privacy online. It creates an encrypted tunnel for your data. Your personal data is like currency to cyber attackers. Don't think that just because your router is in your living room it's beyond the reach of a sophisticated hacker. Monitoring your network activity and taking the time to properly configure your router and Wi-Fi security with the strongest security settings will reduce the risk of a cyber criminal being able to breach your defenses and steal your personal information. Here are some tips on what you can do. Tip 1. Create a new Wi-Fi password. Tip 2. Secure your router with a new password. Tip 3. Update your router to the latest version. Tip 4. Use a VPN. Tip 5. If your Wi-Fi is using WEP encryption, change it to WPA2 encryption. Tip 6. Disable the button for quick Wi-Fi access on your router. This is called WPS. Subscribe to the CyberWarzone channel for more news, tips, tricks and downloads. Please use the comment section for any questions, feedback or video requests.